I'm JK. Before we start, like and subscribe. Okay guys, now we're opening the mosasaurs.
Hey Vicky, what are you doing?
Opening the mosasaurs.
Oh yeah, can I help?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's break it down. Ugh. It's hard to open it up.
What are you doing?
Huh? We're opening up the mosasaurs. You want help?
Yeah.
Okay, open it up. I think this is the tail.
Oh yeah. It's missing the tail.
Oh yeah, it's missing the tail.
And the arm.
It's really big too.
Oh yeah.
Let's take it out. Oh, this is big. Wait, give me. I think I have to build it from the other side. Wait, let's try. How does it go? Yeah, I'm gonna put this part. We're all each gonna put one part. And this is in. Wait, I think. Yo, is it hard? Is it in? It's in. This one's in. Oh, you want help?
Yeah.
Okay.
That part's hard.
It's pretty hard to put in. You need a lot of force.
Yeah.
We're gonna do that at the end. Okay. You gotta put these in the right one. It's pretty hard to do this. Let's just try.
How do you go down that? What is that? Oh, so they're gonna go there.
Right here. Okay. It's in finally. Now this is the fully built mosasaurus. And it opens, I think you can open its mouth from here. Okay. Wow. Oh. Wait, I forgot this.
Oh, I know that that's what the lobster is.
Oh, is it the mosasaurus? Wait, it's gonna open it. Open it. Wow, that was a pretty hard opening.
I'm strong.
Yeah, you're strong. Here, open it. Take it out. Wait, let's try to put it in the mosasaurus mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
It's so
Wait, I'll put it in the mosasaurus mouth. You open it. Okay. It can fit. Inside the mouth, it can fit things, and then we can just take them out like that.
Get it out.
It pushes it. That's cool. Pasa. Oh. Okay, JK. We have to leave, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. This dinosaur name is Paralophilus. Okay guys, look at this. If his name is in the water, you can do this, and you can twist his head, and you can open it, and move his legs, and this, and do this. That's it. Now, they're gonna fight. Look at this. It's only white and it feels like orange orange eyes, and he has really big one claws, and he has really sharp teeth. And look at these huge spikes and this huge tail. And now, and look at this. It's only like a peach color, and it has like orange eyes too. And it has like these brown things over here, and it can move its tail and big mouth. It can move its arms and feet. And look at these brownish feet, like over here. One of these ones. Right now. And this one can do, and it doesn't make sounds, but it's pretty cool. And this one can do like that and this. Right. It has like red, so many red around, and like brown things around and black stuff. And it has yellow eyes, and it can swallow little dinosaurs. And it has like, we can do this and do this, and we can move his arms and do this. And look at these black nails, and look at these really sharp teeth. Bite. Look at this brown dinosaur, and it has yellow eyes too. And it can like swallow a little, stupid little dinosaur. Look at these sharp teeth, and it has a really big tail. And look at all brown things. Fight now. And look at this Godzilla shrunk, and it has black like armor, and it has white spikes and a really big tail, and has this spike over here and over here, and a small mouth, and look where the it moves around and stops, and then it goes like, wait. And time to fight. And look at this. It has like orange spikes, and he has wings like these wings. And has blue and white over here and white over here. Blue spikes. Has like these blue and orange things. You see that orange thing? And orange and orange. And white and white. We have like this over here. And a really big one. Has sharp teeth. And they can close some smoke. Look. Time to fight. Now, look at this cake back here, and it has some black thingies over here, and it has like red, and it has black eyes, and his mouth is peach, and over here is peach, and it has really small teeth. Time to fight. Look at these. And look at this Indominus Rex, and this one, and this one. I don't have this one though. And look at this one. And this one is super cool. These two are cool. And I like you put like this, get another stuff. And look at this end of weapon. This one, and this one, and this one, and where is the little one? And this one, and who might be? So that's all. And what's and this one here. Go. Let's see. Look at that cool mosasaurs. Let me try it. Oh. Look at his mouth. Smell. Let me check more. This one is really cool because it has a really cool chip. Let me put this one back and this one. Ooh, I'm sorry. And now this one. Look at this really cool chip. Look at this really cool dilophosaurus, and it has like black dots and it's greenish, and look at this red eye, and this nice, and look at this yellow and things, and this red, and this really big claws. Then it has really big spikes and a small tail. And a very big tail, and has like, where is it? Small arms. Has like this, and a small tongue and a red eyes. That's it. Now fight.
I'm back. So what are you playing?
Dinosaur.
You
You want to
really
see my collection of pets?
Yeah, I wanna.
Look at my puppy.
Okay. A collection of all dinosaurs? Whoa, that collection is beautiful.
No, I don't have that one though. I have these.
Well, soon you're gonna get every single one of these, right?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Well, that's good. And these are all the dinosaurs with basically chips?
Yeah. Even this one has one. Even my mosasaurs have one. Remember when we opened it up?
Yeah.
Look.
Wow, the chip is so good.
Look at this.
Play with a lot of dinosaurs.
And look at this, like, dinosaur, even others. It's like dark. And it has like this big tail and small arms and really small spikes. And it has red eyes and has like a scary mouth.
That's good.
And now we're fighting.
Wait, is this a dinosaur Godzilla?
Yeah.
Godzilla? Is he a dinosaur?
And a really big spikes over here, and a really small mouth. And look at these legs, and it has blue and pink and black over here, and picture. So many colors, and it has like yellow.
That's Stegosaurus, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's like a robot dragon
You
dinosaur.
know where dog?
What? What is this? Smoke?
Yeah.
Wait.
You can put me.
It's water.
Yeah. We put it in there.
Wow, that's cool. And it goes. Yeah, let's play.
Mosasaurus this time again.
I'm gonna be Stegosaurus.
Alright, keep playing strong on this one.
Alright, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Hit with the tail. Bah! Stegosaurus is pretty strong. The tail. Wow. Stegosaurus is strong. Oh, Mosasaurus is losing. T-Rex is beating.
How is next again?
Let's fight. Oh, this one died. He died. How is Mosasaurus so strong?
Because these are the biggest ones.
Oh, that's mini Mosasaurus.
Yeah, but he's still weaker. He's small.
Oh. When she does this.
Okay, guys, we don't play. When another video comes, like and subscribe and comment below.
Bye.